4lkidzTv. Primary colors. Primary colors are the colors that mix to make secondary colors. Bring your colors and drawing books and start mixing colors to see the magic. Primary colors are three: blue, yellow, and red. Blue and yellow mix to make color green. Green like trees. Red and yellow mix to make color orange. Orange like fruit orange. Blue and red color mix to make color violet. Violet like grapes. Primary colors are three: blue, yellow, and red. And secondary colors are three: green, orange, and violet. Let's repeat. Blue and yellow color mix to make color green. Red and yellow color mix to make color orange. Blue and red color mix to make color violet. And they all make secondary colors. So how many primary colors are there? Three: yellow, red, and blue. And how many secondary colors primary colors make? Three: green, orange, and violet. These are secondary colors. Secondary colors are green, orange, and violet. Good job. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.